Okay, week 7, the API. So let's start a quick look in the code. So in elevator.rb, there is the code for the Twilio in the Slack. After that, in the lead, I have the code for the Dropbox and for create ticket for the Zendesk. In the lead control, I call the create ticket and the send email method to start them. The Watson controller. So here I take the data from the database, and here I make a post to send the data. The data come back in a view for the Watson in the back office. After the transcript controller, and I have also the transcript model. After that, the Google Map. Here I did a lot of comment, so you can follow. But I take here the data and add them to the marker. And after that, in my view, I use these marker to put in on the map. After the send email for the SendGrid, I use the send email.html and the user notifier and its word, but the environment in the config file for the SendGrid. Okay, so let's take a look at the website. I'll go at home to start. I'll just go the contact us here to make an example. So I'll take Olo because this is a business name that exists in the database. Something, and I'll select a file to send in the Dropbox. So this is sending two messages and adding the file to the Dropbox. So we can go in the Dropbox right now, refresh this, and here the file just uploaded, and we received a message here to thank you and with the logo from the SendGrid, and I have a notification from Zendesk too, and here I can see if I refresh that I received the ticket in Zendesk. So after that, I'll go in the back office. Here this is for the Watson. It's not activated right now because the API key is commented, because if I come here we'll see there's a limit and we pass it too fast, almost it's half already, so it's just not activated. And here the API key are not updated in the Codebox server, so not working right now, but you will need to add them to the file to make it work, but it worked. I can show you in local. So if I choose a file, come here and download and test audio. If I open it and I send the file, I'll get a transcript. It's in process right now. Take a little bit of time. So here is if I refresh, I'll get the transcript of the file. I'll come back later. And finally, for the map, the first time it's longer to load because it add all the marker in the database, but I just re-upload the website, so that's why it's long. After it's in the database, it will be faster to load. So here we have the address, customer number, floor for all of our building, and we also have the condition and the temperature at this place with the open weather map API. So I think it's pretty much all, but I'll go here for the transcript. Okay, it's very long. Oh, just here. So we got the transcript, the file it's in the Word. So thank you for the correction.